look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you mad. Ooh.
Hey guys, welcome back. So finally I received this box from Dior and it's pretty heavy. I wonder why. But yeah, let's open this up. Here is all of the information. The receipt is the receipt. I originally wanted the Chanel waist bag, but my SA said that it's sold out everywhere and she couldn't find one. Just go with this one for now. Okay, this box, it feels like super heavy. I don't know what it is inside. Is there a box in here? How come it was so heavy? There's nothing down here, but it's just, oh, I just want to see what's underneath. Ow! Okay, there's nothing. It's super heavy. I mean, is it necessarily for this big gigantic box? Okay, here you go. So let me move it over here. Wow. It's so tiny, but it's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, is it me or they gave me a used bag? Because it looks dirty. What the hell? If you look closely on the corner, it has like dirt or something. Here is the authenticity card. And here is the code. It is, I think it's suede. It feels like suede. It has 2 card slots. Then here is the back. Oh my gosh, like I really think this bag has been used, because if you look at the corner, I don't know if you can see, I'm very impressed with this, but gonna send it back. Is it glue? Why does it have like white stuff on it? It looks like the leather is peeling off or glue. Let me see if I can rub it off. Okay, it's actually glue. So that's good. I'll see if it's gonna fit my phone. Because if it doesn't fit my phone, then I'm sending it back. This is my iPhone Max Pro. Uh-oh. Come on. I need it to fit. Crap. It's not fitting. Okay, so it doesn't fit. Well, it kinda, but I have to like really squeeze it in. Holy cow. Yeah. Crap. But I like having my phone case though.
Interesting.
Oh. Okay. Come on. So tight though. It's really snug. Super tight. Oh no. I have a feeling this might be a return. Damn it. I mean, it works, but it's just a little bit tight. I want to use this bag for work. Maybe it'll work. It's more of a vintage gold hardware. Zipper says Dior. Okay, so here is the belt. I have a small waist, like really small, so I don't know if this is gonna work for me. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 holes. And if I put to the, this is how it looks. I'm a 24 waist and pants. This way. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna try it on, see how it looks like. If it doesn't work out, I'm gonna send it back.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waves. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you bad. Ooh. can talk about. Quiet with a big mouth, listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unfeel, key in ignition. Just keep me full like at a meal. Once in a while, feel alright. I know you like it, can't fight it. I might let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.